Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove or replace front bumper cover on Mazda CX-7. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. This one is a 2007 specifically, but it will be the same all the way until 2010. That's when they switched to the facelift. Facelift might be a very close procedure. We haven't had a chance to check it, but it will probably help you as well. So stay with us, let's go ahead, start on it now. So first we need to open the hood, and we are doing quite a few repairs guys, engine replacement, so quite a few videos, check them out. And now we'll need to go ahead and remove the front bumper cover first. Okay, so once you take that piece out of there, it's super easy. Now we need to go ahead and start on the clips here, okay? And those, you remove the middle piece out. Okay, let me get a good angle, and you need to pull that middle piece up, all the way up, and ours is pretty stuck there, so we'll just pry it a little bit with the screwdriver, okay, like that, and see if we can pull it out. Those will snap sometimes, so we will have to buy new clips eventually once in a while. This one came out. Okay, that's how it's supposed to come out. You pull the middle piece up and then the rest of it comes out. Okay, one more on this side. This one came out pretty easy, so that's awesome. We didn't have problem with this one now. So we're going on the driver's side now, and we need to remove one clip right here. You can see this one. So go ahead, take this one off. Okay, those, they tend to break sometimes. If you have a lot of dust, mud stuck in there, sometimes they will not come out. This one did, it's still, we can still reuse this one, it's fine there. Okay, and now we have a screw there with a Phillips screwdriver. You can see that's the fender here and the bumper right there. So we have an idea where that one is now, so you know what to expect. So now on the bottom, under the bumper, we have to go with an 8mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver, but we'll recommend using a socket. Okay, and there is a few screws that we'll need to remove. Okay, let me show you, that's what they look like. You see where they are. So now we're going to use 10mm after that. Okay, right here. Okay, we got these two out, and that used to be the engine undercover that's broken on this one, as you can see. Then we'll need to go on the passenger side, and we'll need to apply the same procedure. We need to remove that clip there. Okay, the one that we removed on the driver's side, so just pull that one out, and after that we'll need to remove that screw that we have here with a Phillips screwdriver there. Okay, this one came out, it was really tight. Okay, the screw now, and after that we need to use that 8mm for a few more screws under the vehicle. We have a video guys, how to drain coolant, how to do maintenance, parts, ignition coils, filters, anything pretty much on this Mazda CX-7. Okay, those are the ones we're talking about now. And looks like we have one more there. So 3 screws on each side with 8mm socket. Next on top we have 2 more screws with a Phillips screwdriver, one in each corner as you can see, one there and one right here. Go ahead and remove this one next. Okay, and a couple more clips that we forgot about. You can see where the emblem is, kind of deal. Okay, the same procedure. You pull the middle piece out and then you pull the whole clip. And this one here, you will not need to remove this one because it's not part of it. You can see only that one here. Then you grab the bumper on the side, okay, and you gently pull it. Okay, careful that you don't break the clips, and you do the same to the other side as well. If you have fog lights, you need to disconnect them. In our case, we don't. So that's the bumper cover right here now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. That will be the procedure for removing front bumper on Mazda. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.